Hi guys, welcome to the short video about this digital camera. The model type is WDC-8026. Here's the box and it comes with a lot of promises. They are saying, yeah, it's a super good underwater camera for video, photo and whatsoever, but what is it really worth? I think it has a really nice sturdy build. When we turn it off, we can open this battery compartment. I think this is a really solid build. Comes already with the 32 gigabytes micro SD card. Comes also with the micro USB charging and data cable, so you can transfer all the images and videos easy to your PC. And here we have the battery. If it gets stuck, you can remove it, insert it. I had this one time that the whole camera was stuck, then I removed and added again the battery, and then you can start it again. Also here to close. I think this is really nice, good build. I mean, it's not super sturdy. I think it has a sturdy build, but there's no like soft rubber here on the side, which would be helpful for children. But we have this hand strap here, which can avoid some drops. Then to turn it on, here is on top, and then we have the shutter release button. We have the different functions here, like the normal camera mode, and in every mode we have the menu, so you can set many options here. As you can see, it has even a face detect, anti-shake, and a lot of fancy features, high resolution. And same thing, of course, also with the camera mode. We have a lot of different things. Highest resolution is 1080p, and we can even add the date and time to the picture, and we can also adjust many things. By the way, it's not a touch screen, but we have all the functions which we need here. We can activate or deactivate the sound, like beeping here. By the way, it has also a built-in microphone and speaker. You can record video and do the playback here directly on the camera, or of course you can do that on the PC. So many things. We have also the main menu with a lot of different settings here, and we can go to the playback. You can see that's a normal image, so we can go to the right side, couple of images here, and here we have a first video. Can see that here, so we can really do the playback directly here on this screen. I stop this again. I would say microphone and speaker are even useful. You can hear that. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I would say that's not even bad for this class, or so really super low entry level class. Definitely just something for small children, not even for teenagers. When you buy $200 smartphone for teenager, the camera will be 10 times better than what you see here. And of course it's also waterproof. I can put it down here. What's the cool thing is that it keeps swimming. You can see it keeps floating, doesn't sink down. That's something which I really love. So if you have it on a boat or so, take it out in water, use it for swimming or so. If you lose it, it won't sink down and get lost. That's really an amazing thing. And you can see you can really push it down underwater, take it out, dry it up with a towel, and there's absolutely no problem to make a picture or video right after that. So you don't have to worry anything. That's really good. I mean, we have even some zooming. We have some nice effects. You can see even during the video recording we can even zoom in and zoom out, and of course it's super slow, but the quality, I mean, of course I'm a little bit close here, but I've also done a couple of shots outside, and the quality, of course, of everything is quite disappointing. Has nothing to do with the quality which we have these days on our smartphones. But I would say for small children, why not? This is about what we can get for them maximum, and this thing is even waterproof, so they can even use it in the ocean or in the pool. So why not? If you're interested into that, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.